Good day, everyone. My name is LYNX, and I'm here to share with you a little bit about myself. And I started drawing and painting when I was 8 years old in third grade. And ever since, I have an affinity for art. So after graduating from high school, my art teacher recommended that maybe I should look into art school. So I went to the Art Institute of Atlanta for my associate degree, and then I went to Georgia State University for my bachelor in studio art, which is focused on mainly drawing and painting. And afterward, I went to Savannah College of Art and Design, which is also known as SCAD, to get my master in fine art in painting. And so, what is my field of specialty? I like to describe myself as a contemporary artist, focused on mainly drawing and painting, especially in ballpoint pen. But right now, I expand to mixed media and paper making. And what is contemporary art for me is how to elevate your art skill, your drawing skill, and your concept. And that's why my work is keep expanding to get larger and larger and more in depth and more layers. And what do I do for fun or entertainment, or what do I like? Well, I like to take a walk in the park, drink coffee, but my main passion is to draw all day long. So I would draw whenever I have time, and then after I finish the drawing, I would take some more time to color them, and sometimes I would paint them. And some people might describe me as obsessive, crazy, but I like to describe myself as learning to be disciplined, learn to have this improving mentality, to always push the boundary, always expanding your skill in drawing, always find a way to improve oneself. So that's why I constantly drawing and painting. And so you might look at this setup and you say, Link, so why are you create such a romantic atmospheric effect? No, I'm actually not. I'm actually set up for my drawing session. So basically I would draw everything in my daily life, like this one. This is a potato, and this is a back scratcher. It looked like a rake. And then any toys that I found lying around, or the plants in the garden, or just the falling leaves. So I would draw everything around me that I can get my hand into. And so that's what my work is about. As you can see, I love drawing and I love painting. So thank you so much for your time. And I know it's not easy to be here. So thank you again, and hope you have a wonderful day.